Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon my friends. Your Chef Shaikh here again. Today's recipe is a different recipe. This is my special recipe. Yeah, this recipe is very nice, and if you like it, then you should try. It will be a totally different kebab, and it will be very nice kebab and very delicious. A lot of spices going in there, so don't get confused. Yeah, it's different spices. I told you that it's my special kebab, Chef Shaikh special kebab. Yeah. So before I start mixing, so I will tell you my ingredient, right? And this ingredient will be at the end of the video as well. Okay, shall we start? Okay, and recipe I'll be using for this kebab, I got lamb meat, I got chicken meat, yeah, and I got shredded potato, onion, I got parsley and green parsley and coriander all together mixed there. I got green onion, salt. I got this is a whole dry coriander. So what I did, I roasted this coriander, dry coriander, and then I blended, right? And this is garam masala, right? I dried red chili. Before I crushed it, I fried it, and then I crushed it. Right? I got cumin powder, got black pepper, and I got crushed green chili. Here I got garlic and ginger. Right? I got lemon here, and I got one egg, and I got gram flour. So it's gonna go all in there. Yeah. I'm gonna put first chicken, okay, and then I'm gonna put my lamb meats. Yeah, I got chicken meats and lamb meats. All right. I'll move this on here. Okay, so you can see. Okay, well I'm gonna mix all this first. Yeah. So okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put my shredded potato. And then I mix this all potato. A bit more. I put it was 2 shredded potato. This was medium size. Okay. Okay, guys. Right. First thing, I'm gonna put ginger. Is a 2 spoon ginger paste, and you got garlic, got 1 spoon, big 1 spoon here. Okay, dry coriander, about 2 spoon, salt, about 2 spoons. Garam masala, about half spoon. Okay. And this red chili, crushed red chili. Okay. It's about 2 spoons. Cumin powder, about nearly 2 spoons, small size spoon. Black pepper, 1.5 spoon. And I got this crushed green chili. Okay, so it depends how spices you want. Yeah, so for me, I put about 1.5 spoon. Okay. Now I got this green onion. Okay. And this is a white onion which I blended. It was 2 medium size. Okay. And this is, it's got fresh parsley and fresh coriander. So I put this all. Yeah, probably I'll put this later. Okay. Egg. With 1 egg. And I'm gonna put this lemon. We'll get a knife. Get seed out from there. Just put 1 full lemon in there. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna put this gram flour, yeah. Okay, it's all gone. Now I'm gonna start mixing this. You have to mix nicely, okay? Now I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour in the fridge. Okay guys? So see you in 1 hour. Hi guys, I'm back after an hour. Our chicken kebab I just taken off from fridge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a kebab, burger type. So you can use in as a burger as well, or you can have it with the kebab on its own as well. Yeah. Okay guys, Its outside is getting a bit dark about it. I put some oil in there, just a little bit. So you want it stuck. Okay. Put I'm gonna make it like a quarter pound size. Yeah. What I'm gonna do when it's finished, half is I'm gonna fry this, and half is I'm gonna do in oven. Yeah. And if you don't have oven, so you can just fry it. Yeah. Okay. One thing is thicker. Okay guys, I made some shape for kebab burger bowl. So now I'm gonna put oil on for a fry pan. Yeah. Okay, friend, oil is ready. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna just put kebab in there. It's not enough space to put two big ones, so I'm gonna put one big one and one small one. And I have got 3 different sizes. Yeah. Okay guys, you can see, you can tell by the color, this is half cooked. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out in a tray. I've got tissue there, so drain oil on from there, and then I'm gonna put this in the oven for low heat. Okay. So you can see that. Yeah. So it's gonna drain all oil. So by the time I'll put some more in there. Okay. Okay, friend. It's nearly all done. It's about three more to go. You can make like this as well, kebab. Yeah, nicely in there. This is the old way to do it. So okay guys, this is kebab ready, right? Now I'm gonna put this in oven on low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay friend, now I'm gonna put this in the oven, right? About 5 to 8 minutes. Okay guys, kebab is ready. Yeah, this is my kebab. Okay guys, this is my special kebab. So you can serve with chips, salad, right? And you can make a burger as well. So it's up to you how you wanna eat. So, but it's very nice, delicious. So what do you think about it? So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Give me a feedback what you think about it. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.